everybody, this is Tekka, and in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over the Buycraft plugin for Bukkit. Now what it is a online store where you can sell people things like ranks or items with real currency. So it's a way to help your server earn some money and help you pay that server bill. So everything is automatic. So if you have a large server with, like, let's say 40 people or more, it's very good for you because people can just go up, type a command, and just buy something that easy. Or they could go to the online store and purchase it that way. So this is my old online store for a server I used to have, and as you can see I didn't have it that set up, but I do have some ranks here. I have lifetime premium rank for $50, 1 month, 2 month, and 3 month premium ranks. So it's all the same rank essentially, but just the amount of time that you get it. So with this plugin you can also set timed commands. So you can make it so if somebody buys a rank for 1 month, you could set that, or lifetime and 3 months. You could just have everything timed. Also, kits. I didn't have that many kits set up. As you can see, I have a diamond armor kit for $1. That's the only thing I set up there, but you could sell items, potions, just almost anything. You could set up a custom home. I don't have it really configured because I haven't used it in forever, but you can use HTML, I believe, to insert images and put in information right here. Creating these packages is very easy. All you have to do is go into your dashboard and go to content, and then you can create your packages right here. As you can see, these are all of my packages. I have the diamond armor kit and all of the premium rank things right here. So I could add a package just by clicking add package, and I could call this, what should it be? I'm going to call it 10 stone. I'm going to say you can get 10 stone with this package, and I'm going to put it in the kits category. You can create your own categories too right here. Variables, you can make coupon codes, and you can ban coupon codes, and you can ban users right here. You can set a price, so I'm going to set this at 10 cents, and you can set it to expire so you can take it away from them, but since this is an item you're not going to want to have it expire. Global limit and user limit, so if you keep it at 0, I believe that it's unlimited, but let's say I only wanted people to be able to use this 10 times. Now people can only use it 10 times. If I wanted it a total limit of 100, this package could only be purchased 100 times. Now I can make it so customers can pay however much they want, and the price above will be a minimum. So if they want to give more for what they're getting as a donation, they could do that. You could disable the package so it will not show up anymore, and you could require a user to be online to execute the command, which I recommend you doing. And then you have the command to use. So this is the initial command. You could do an expiry command, chargeback, or refund. So you're going to want to do the initial command of give, and then these brackets, name 110. So that will give the user 1 stone. Add that command, and you could add more if you want to. So expiry, you could have it take away stone from them. Refund, change back, you could do things like that. Servers, you're going to want to select your server. The server isn't active anymore, it's an old server. And then all you do is add the package. Categories, like I talked about earlier, is just the web store. So if I go back to my web store, you can see kits and ranks. So those are 2 categories that I have. You can add more categories if you want to. And then we have payments, and this just gives you an in-depth of what everybody has purchased and all the things that has gone through. Under download, you can download the actual plugin. When you install it, you install like any other plugin. I will be having a tutorial of how to set it up very shortly. If you go over to web store, you can set up all the general information. So you can set your name, you can give it a URL, or you can set your own domain for your web store. If you go over to payment settings, you can set the account email that it's going to go to, which this is very wrong. You're probably going to want to do through PayPal. That's the easiest one. You could also do one bid to checkout and pay go. I don't even know what that is, but I recommend PayPal. You can use any of the other ones if you'd like to. And then you have payment settings, so you can bypass the payment gateways and deny customers who have chargebacked or other sites on the Buycraft network. And then you could also delete commands upon chargeback and set all pending commands to be executed immediately upon chargeback or refund. And then you have servers. I only have one server. This is the secret key. I'm obviously going to have this blanked out so you can't see it, but that is something you're going to use for installing the plugin. I'll get into that in a future tutorial. And then you have themes, so you can change your web store theme. So if I go over here to my web store and I wanted to use the dark theme and update it, and then go to my web store, you can see now it is using the dark theme. So that is very cool. Then you have modules, and here is the homepage content. So as you can see, it uses the BB code format under work, and I can put donation terms and everything there. Payment agreed. Well, payment agreement, this is just your custom agreement you can do. You can set goal and how many recent payments you're going to want to display. Website integration, you can put this into your actual server's website and make everything in one place. And then you can also set up direct pay if you would like to. All you have to do to purchase things in-game on Buycraft is to type in the Buycraft command, and then you could go through all your packages and you could purchase things that way. But the best way to do it is the web store. And one of the best features of this plugin is you don't even have to go to the web store. You could buy things in-game and you could browse all the packages. When you buy things, it just gives you a PayPal type link and you purchase the item that way. But once again, I recommend using the web store. It's very nice. And this has been my little overview of Buycraft. Once again, stay tuned for future tutorials on this. I hope you have a fantastic day, and goodbye.